It's about 11:30 and it's over 37 degrees centigrade, and I bet I know where the little girl is. Let's have a look. Yep, there she is. What you doing, girl? What you doing? You down here in the cool, are you? Hey? You being a good girl? Nice and cool under there, isn't it? Hey? Come on, over here, down here. Come on. You're a good girl, mate. You're a good girl. Oh, right, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. You got dirty nose. You got a dirty nose, haven't you? You gonna stay down there all day? We've got this rock here. Get that rock out of your way. There you go. Come on. You want a bath? Do you want a bath? No, I didn't think so. Ah, you had a bath the other day, didn't you? Yep. No, you're not going to have a bath. You're a good girl.